Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the best location on how you can catch this secret giant squid in the Lost Isle or the Sisyphus statue on Fish It. So as you know that you need to catch at least one secret fish inside the Sisyphus statue to get the ghost fin road or to complete the deep sea quest. So luckily I've already finished this quest, and let me show you the spots that I got the squid. So once you're inside the Sisyphus statue, you can just go left in here. So I actually got the squid in this exact location where this stone or rock is. This is the first location that you can get it. And I also got some news that you can just go forward in here. You can also get the secret fish in front of this rock. And the last location to get the secret fish in the Sisyphus statue, especially the squid, is right in front of the deep sea quest board here. And for the roads, previously I got the squid using the astral road and using the chroma bait. So that's pretty much all. That's some tips from me to catch secret fish in Sisyphus statue. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.